That's it. Close it. Okay, well, that's the problem right there. Garage with my son, because our screwdriver Genie garage door opener isn't opening, and I'm hoping the issue is this guy right here.
Yeah.
If you look really close, that is the what is that called?
It's called the limit switch.
A limit switch.
That tells the garage door opener to stop when it hits it.
Correct. So this is an older system, so it uses this limit switch. And if you didn't notice here, you see how it's got this metal thing hanging? Well, let me show you this. So I got this from Amazon.
Yeah.
And this is the replacement limit switch.
Yeah.
Can you tell the difference? Well, the little plastic arm is there. There's no plastic arm in the other one. So it broke off. I don't know, because it failed to limit and it broke off, and now it's on the fritz or what, but you can see there's the spring part, the metal part that's there, that's hanging, but we're missing the whole thing.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's easy to replace. It's either this 1/4 inch screw head or flathead.
Or flathead, either one.
So I'm hoping the flathead's good, because everything I have is millimeters, not SE. So just gonna get to it. This is the connector for the wire, and so what you need is a screwdriver.
Yeah.
And a marker.
So we can mark it, so you don't have to play with. So we don't have to play with the adjustment.
Right. So we're marking it, so we don't have to play with the
on the side.
We
so
just stick it right on there, and it should be good to go. Hopefully, this is the only reason why it failed.
Yeah.
So Jesse's gonna get up there and take out the old one, go from there. So go ahead, let's put that down carefully.
There.
Get the screwdriver and a marker.
Yeah.
Get up there. This is gonna mark the spots. It should make screw marks still, where the screw went, but looking on the outside, it might be smart to have a mark. Hopefully it's not too tight, lefty loosey. You able to get it out?
I think we have to use a thicker one.
Okay, so let me see if I could find
That one's a little
something
too
else
small.
we can get to it. So we're gonna take out this little wire thing, and then I loosened it. Can you get the screwdriver? Oh, that thing is not even a screwdriver. That's
Big ones too.
no, it doesn't even fit.
Same thing with the new one. Oh.
Is the new screw the same?
The same thing. Yeah.
So you can see it broke off, and the little lever here is kind of worn out too. It's not even touching.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that this is the issue. So anyways, it's hard. This screw head is stupid. It doesn't fit anything. I guess you got to have the perfect slot. Look how narrow that is. So basically you need to have a 1/4 inch here. I couldn't find my socket that's 1/4 inch. Most of my stuff is metric, but I did find a 1/4 inch
Like this.
little wrench.
And it worked.
So it's working. So here you go. Careful. So we marked it. So we're just gonna put, Jesse's gonna put it in between the marks.
Carefully put it in between the mark.
Yeah, try to hook it.
There we go.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty close.
There we go.
Yeah,
And now I can tighten it up.
yeah.
It's close to it, but it's not touching it. So now, like the wire.
Just wiggle it. You don't have to push it too hard. Just wiggle it. Yeah, wiggle it on.
There we go.
Okay, so hopefully that'll fix it. Let's go ahead and test it out for me.
Ready?
Go for it.
3, 2, 1, go. There we go.
It's going up.
There we go.
Now the question is it going to stop? Uh-oh. No. Why did it stop? Push it. Okay, push it again.
There.
So the question is, why is it stopping now? Come on. It's going farther. Oh, it's going farther. Maybe that was just an adjustment.
There.
Okay. Maybe that was it. Maybe it's just the first time was weird, huh?
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Cool. So actually that works better than before. So I'm hoping that's it. I probably need to do some maintenance like lube and stuff on it.
Yeah. At least
But
it's working.
that's it right there. If you want to get this part, so the drive screws you can't really get at the Home Depot. So this one I got from Amazon.
Yep.
I'll give you a link where to get it from, okay? All right, Jesse, what do you say?
Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel, and then make sure to click the bell button, and make sure to tap the notification for all, and then make sure to like our videos, and peace out.
Peace out. Thanks so much. Okay. Success. Okay, close it. Uh-oh.